Hey guys, welcome back to Altium Designer. So in today's video, I will show you how we can set origin in our project. So as you can see right here, this circle and cross. Now, how do we move that? So we go here to the origin, so edit, and down here we have origin. Click on set. And now we can move it here to this side, like so. And this is basically it, how we set origin. We can place it anywhere we want. For example, I will place it back here. And yeah, this is how we place an origin. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.